as per I can remember, we have completed up to exercise C. Only exercise and exercise D also 1 and 2 sum. As per I can remember, up to this we completed. Yes, though? Shake your head if yes. No, no, Razali. No, Razo. Yes, exercise D 1 and 2 done. Yes, just let me come. Oh, wait a minute. No, Raz, yes, say. Say. No, Raz, unmute yourself and say. Acha, Sirin Alam, unmute yourself. 1 and 2 done to?
Yes, ma'am.
Up to 1 and 2 done, right?
Yes, ma'am. Exercise D 1 and 2.
1 and 2 done. Okay. Let me today start from 3. Huh? Let me
Yes,
share
ma'am.
it. Acha, okay. Now, Sirin, just mute yourself. Huh? Mute
Okay, ma'am.
yourself. Acha. Even you also have the book. If you want, you can open the book also for the question. Huh? But I'll read the question as well. Okay, now third question. Acha, you can zoom in or out accordingly. You can zoom in or out the screen accordingly. Okay, now number 3. Let me read it. In an examination, 2,53,972 students appeared in the first year. In the first year, how many students appeared? 2,53,972. Look at this and listen to me very carefully. Acha. And in the second year, how many students appeared? In the second year appeared this. That means 7,52,836. Understood? This student. Acha. And in the third year, 35,628. 35,628 students appeared. This student. Okay. Now it is given, find the total number of students appeared in this 3 years. This one is very much easy. This one is very much easy. No, Razali, you want to say something? I already unmuted you, but you didn't. I already gave you permission to unmute yourself. You didn't do it. Notice right now I can't give you permission. At first, let me complete from 3 to 6. 4 questions. Then again, I'll come to each and every one. Okay. Acha, now look at this. Everyone, look at this. Anushka, Trisha, Nayar, Anubhav. Look. This one, that means it is in the question it is given in the first year. In the first year, how many students appeared? The number of students appeared 2,53,972. Second year, how many students appeared? It is 7,52,836. And in the third year, how many students appeared? 35,628. Look, now in the question it is given, what will be the total number of students appeared in this 3 years? So total means what? Basically, as we know, total means what? Addition? Yes or no? Shake your head. If yes, okay, that means, okay, that means just in the first year, second year and third year, we have to add these 3-year student. We will get the total number of student. Yes, yes or no? Acha, okay. All of you though? Acha, okay. Now just look at this. Sheikh Irfan, where are you? I can't see you properly. I can only see your fan. Ah, yes, now it is okay. Acha, now I am showing you the answers, but write the statement properly, huh? Acha, one more thing, you can write the statement according to your choice, okay? But it is not mandatory that you have to write only my statement. It is not mandatory, okay? You can write the statement by your own also, but the meaning must be same, huh? Just remember one thing, the meaning must be same, okay? Sorry. Number 3 is over there. So number 4 will be your homework, huh? I am not going to solve number 4. Look, number of students which I have written here. Number 3, number of students appeared in the first year. It is given 2,53,972. Number of students appeared in the second year. It is given 7,52,836. Then number of students appeared in the third year. It is given 35,628. So total number of students. Suppose the screen is very much hazy or whatever, you can't see it properly, okay? You can zoom in or out accordingly. Number 3, acha, no need to solve number 5, 6, 8. I'll say this. Your homework will be number 4 and number 7. At first, I am giving you the homework. Number 4 and number 7. These two are your homework. I am giving you only 2 minutes to solve number 3. Within these 2 minutes, solve it fast. Don't worry, dear. All the sums will be completed in the class. Okay, just follow the class properly. And you have to attend the class properly, okay? Then you will definitely get full marks in maths, okay? Sorry. Have you done number 3? No, acha, okay, I'm waiting. Normal addition, you can do the addition yourself though. Ashmi Bose, done. Okay. All of you, acha, Bahia not done. Number 3 not done. Acha, okay. Bahia number 3 done. Parijat, where are you? Okay. Now, listen to me, okay? Look at this. Next question, number 4 is given. There are 78,500 bags of sugar. Let me wait. Wait. This one. And number of bags of wheat is given 96,500. Okay. Look at this. Are you able to see the screen? I think right now you are able. Okay. So total number of bags in the godown. What will be the answer? So we have to add this to. Okay, this one will be your homework. Number 4 will be your homework. No need to solve it right now. Number 4, I am reading number 5, the 5th one. This one, okay. The cost of a TV set is 21,000. The cost of a TV set is 21,000. TV set, okay. Then that of a scooter, that means the cost of a scooter is given 1,750. This is the cost of scooter, okay. Look at this. All of you are able to see it though. Now, look, it is given. Find the total cost of a TV set and a scooter all together means we have to add this to this plus this. Then we'll get the total cost. Now, let me show you number 5 solution. Look at this. Look at the solution. Okay. Acha, one more thing. Let me echo. There are two neighboring town A and B is given 1,35,000 and another is given 4,56,390 respectively. What is the total population in two towns? So total means definitely we have to add Shampriti, see it properly. We have to add yes or no. Shake your head if yes. Acha, okay. That means number 5 and 6 I am showing you. You will solve it. The statement may be by your own, no issue. not the 8th one, okay? Only 3rd one already done, 5th one and 6th one. Acha, put the addition sign in all the question, huh? Sorry. So you have to write the statement properly. You can write your by your own, no issue. Oishani Avipsha completed 5 and 6. Then complete it. I can only see one of you every day. I cannot see both of you together. Show me your sweet face. Ah, yes, very good. Right first, huh? Today I'll complete up to 10, 8, 9, 10. There are 3 more sums also to do. Shomadatta, keep your camera on. Huh? Put the addition sign. Huh? Because that's complete. Achha, those who have completed E5 will show me their copy. Ananya completed. Achha, Nouraz Ali completed, Inakshi completed, Anushka, Ananya, Wajid. Then show me your copy. Anushka not completed? Acha, acha, okay, beta. Complete it. Look. Okay, number 8, there are 6,57,839 men, 76,354 women, and 2,060 children in a city. Find the total population in the city. What to do? Basically, if you apply your common sense, suppose in a city or in a school, suppose, okay, boys are 500, girls are 400, then what will be total number of students? Basically, we have to add boys and girls. The same thing in a city, some men are there, some women are there, some children are there. We have to add only them, okay? So I am also showing you number 8 to 1. Number 8 to 1 also I am showing you. Now complete this first. Parijat, have you done up to number 8? Up to number 8? Acha, okay. Sorry. The answer of the last one is 7,36,253. Huh? This one is 2. Mosha, who is with you? Your brother or sister? Sister? Acha. Bahia completed? No, acha, acha. Oishani, Obhipsha? Nayar? No, acha, okay. Okay, then complete it first. What are you doing, Oishani and Abhipsha? Quarreling. Acha, I'll wait for 2 more minutes, huh? Only for TV set, and for scooter. If we want to buy these two things together, then we have to pay these two cost. So we have to add them. Total cost, na? Just like I told, suppose you want to buy a pen, cost of the pen and pencil is 10. If you want to buy these two together, then definitely you have to pay this the cost of these two things. So total Acha, just wait for a minute. I think now you are able to see this. Look at this. In a city, how many men are there? Men 6,57,839. How many women are there? Women 76,354. Okay. And how many children are there? Children, it is given 2060 only. Up to this Farzana clear? So now what to do? Plus, why? Because we have to find out the total number of people. Total means definitely men, women and children. This includes the total number of people. Na? Suppose in your home, at your home, okay, three male are there, 3 male members, okay, 4 female member and 2 children. So what will be the total number of family members in your family? We have to add this total number of members, na, number of male, number of female and number of female, huh? Number of children. Is it clear? So we have to add number men, women, children. Then we'll get total number of people in the city. Is it clear right now? Yes, to shake your head if yes. Acha. Now let me show you. Okay, good. All of you have completed. So tomorrow I'll